Hey, Brian and everyone with Brian Etters at United Real Estate Solutions. My name's Christian Rinna. We're a local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks you can use on your own to increase your online presence. A couple things we're going to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. So pardon me if I did not find your specific website, Brian. I do see the United resolution, so I'm assuming that this is just the one that you use. So we'll use that for the purposes of this video. But I do want to point out that contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads, your own website, in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com and Trulia. And so obviously I'm pretty sure that you understand a portion of that because you do have your Facebook page set up. Looks like you're posting some things. So you do understand the value. I'm just not sure how much revenue this Facebook page is bringing in to you. So we're going to get started here. I did use United Resolutions as the for the purposes of this demonstration. So three things we're going to talk about is content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. You guys, I'm on your buyers page. Okay, so content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing you want to remember is that you want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank. So like you're in Knoxville and this is your buyer page, right? So I would imagine that you would want to rank in anything in the category of buying a home in Knoxville. You'd want to rank. So this is your buyer's page, right? Very important page. And we have maybe 5, 6, 7, 800 words, right? Maybe 1,000. I didn't put this through word counter. I'm not a word counter expert, but I do know that you want to have 1,500 words minimum, and you do not have that here. Also, every single one of your photos is saved as random numbers and letters on this page. So that's why this page is not being found anywhere unless somebody types in unitedresolutions.com and goes to your buyer page. No one's finding this organically, okay? And that's two major reasons why. Your photos are saved wrong and you don't have 1,500 words. You want just keep in mind that how you save your photo is read by search engines on the back end. So even though I can't see it, well, I can, and you can, Google can read it, right? So it actually matters. So all your pages you're trying to rank, you want 1,500 words. Your seller page, you're trying to get more listings. You're going to want your seller page to have 1,500 words. And I'm assuming that if on this page these photos are saved wrong, they're probably saved wrong there. I know this is I'm not sure if you're the owner of this brokerage or if you're just an agent. Either way, you're going to want to take care of that stuff right there. And then next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So I typed in Knoxville real estate agents, okay? We got Blake Rickles, we got Knoxville real estate professionals, and then we got Holly McCrae Home Marketing Group. So these guys got here based on citations in their Google My Business page. And as you can see, your website is not here. I want to point that out because the next thing, so this is citations. And as you can see down here, there are other agents as well. So the Goswitch team, we got Dre Vasquez, we got Beard and Hill. So Eric Walter, right? So these guys are all in this map pack right here on the first page, and I don't see you here, right? But what I want to point out is that the next thing we're going to go over is backlinks. You guys actually, a backlink is anywhere that your website is at. So anywhere that unitedresolutions.com is at is going to give you a backlink. So you guys actually have almost 5,000 backlinks coming from 87 referring domains, but you're not ranking for any keywords at all. And so that's a red flag. With 5,000 backlinks, when somebody types in Knoxville real estate agents, you guys should be popping up. You should be on the first page. With that many backlinks, there's absolutely no reason that you're not on the first page, and you're not. So I'm assuming that you probably had some of these, you paying for some of these, or you got something going on but whoever's doing it doesn't know what they're doing. You're going to want to remove the majority of these. So the thing is, not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure that all your backlinks are coming from sites that are relevant to the trade and sites that aren't spammy. So other real estate sites, brokerage sites, mortgage companies, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, all those. You want to get your backlinks from reputable sites that aren't spammy. And this is showing me with no keywords that you're getting them from the wrong place. So just do your homework on that one. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you find the time to implement these strategies into your website to bring you some leads, or even get yourself a new one if you're not the broker. So if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us, and thank you very much for watching.